Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anggun Guna Puspita, and today I will present about writing skill through color coding. And I will start from the first point. The first point is writing skill. According to the Hammer, writing is one of the four skills in English. Writing is considered as the productive skill since it allows the language user to produce text. Writing, as one of the four skills of the listening, speaking, reading, and writing, has always formed part of the syllabus in the teaching of English. Writing is an action process of discovering and organizing the idea, putting them on a paper, and reshaping and revising them. Writing can be defined as an activity of delivering message or communication with the use of written language as a means of or media, or in the other words, writing is communication activities such delivering a message in writing to the other people. And what is color coding? The color coding method is an evidence-based writing program that meets the rigorous expectations set forth by the Common Core curriculum. The writing model trains scholars to respond with academic discourse and compose evidence-based claim and analysis to the expectation of Common Core writing performance tasks. And the next is use of color coding. Color coding can be used in many ways and at every stage of the writing process to help teacher make choice and develop your ideas. Color coding strategy help the student to make choice and developing their ideas. Use color coding to make writing organization obvious and to connect a student plan to their draft. And next is teaching procedure text by using color coding. Number 1. Introduce the color coding system using the picture of the traffic light. The first step is show the picture of the traffic signal and explain to the student that the green, yellow, and red colors of the traffic signal can help us to organize our text. Have student color the traffic signal. And the second, read the procedure text. How to make mango juice, highlight or underline the various sentence with appropriate color. Number 2, introduce the color coding strategy. Use the procedure text. Have students read the title, ask them what the paragraph will be about. And the second is read. Read the goal with your student. Remind them that a topic sentence announces what the whole paragraph is about. Tell students that topic sentences are colored red because the topic sentence shows what idea writer is going to prove or explain. Red is the first key or star idea with your student. Explain that in information writing, the topic sentence are supported by recent details or facts that prove or explain the topic. And number 3, yellow. Read the material with your students. Ask them what you need if you want to make mango juice and give some explanation about material. And the last is green. Read the step with your students. Ask students what greens tell the writers to do. Stop and explain. Have students refer to the traffic light signal. Review the colors with them. And next is type of color coding strategy. Number 1 is distinguish between new idea and concept. Color coding can assist students in distinguish between concept and ideas. Below is an example of how color coding can be used for main idea and details, but it can also be used for compare and contrast. Author's purpose, fact versus opinion, you name it. In this example, main idea is always yellow while the key details are green. Number 2 is selective highlighting. Another color coding strategy is selective highlighting. The strategy requires explicit teaching, extensive modeling, and support as well as clear student direction. However, when implemented correctly, it can help students organize their learning and deepen their comprehension. Example: highlight the vocabulary words pink. Color the main idea yellow. Highlight the supporting details green. Write the main idea and details on the line below. And number 3 is color-coded graphic organizers. Ewards and Morgan noted that color-coding visual organizer provides another layer of support for writing and development, and using color coding in combination with strategy instruction has the potential to improve overall understanding. Sentence and paragraph frames are great writing support, but not if only students don't know how and when to use them. Color coding this frame as well as graphic organizer or having the student do it themselves is a simple step that can make all the difference. Number 4 is supporting student discourse. We all know how important it is to get our students talking, and providing a dialogue frame can be a great way to scaffolding speaking activities. Color coding these frames can make them more user friendly because it makes it easier for students to identify their parts. To forget to have students switch roles at some point so they get to practice all roles. Okay, that's all about writing skill through color coding. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.